when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another one, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, never end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door. I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. No, I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? And I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord sees I am to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream.
Sa isa man eh, pag ulaw-ulaw din na, bugok,
Wala.
butiti.
Hi, Papa! Happy Father's Day! I love you so much. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan, Mama. Bye-bye!
Ito na, Arlo.
Carlo, telephone na lang sa mo.
Sige na, Arlo.
Happy Father's Day, Papa! I love you, Mama.
Oo, Arlo, mama.
No,
Sige na.
Sige na, sunod man. Happy Father's Day, Papa! I love you.
Megan.
Happy Father's Day, Papa! I love you.
Kay ito si Bunso. Bunso, sige na.
Sige na, Saisi.
Happy.
Happy? Ikaw happy?
Happy Father's
Father's
Day.
Day.
I love you, Papa. Miss you, Papa. O, kamo na rin tanan, dali. Yun, dito. Agpas kay para ma-download niya, ate. Sige na,
Hilak-hilak buday. Ingat ka pa! Love you, bye! 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 Bakit kayak iyak Sai? Ikaw, ma. Ginag. Ano mo buko makaglayo?
Uy, para maloy mo pa ako. Lugan na kwarta. Happy Father's Day, honey. Love you. Miss you. Maghintay ako sa'yo. Malapit ka na uuwi. Tama na, te.